Hey everyone, welcome back to Vlogmas. It's that time of year where we get festive, but today we're talking about something every RC lover needs to add to their wish list. The perfect gift for any RC enthusiast. RC garages are not just a place to store your RC crawler, they are so much more. Whether you're looking for the perfect spot to display your crawler or capture those picture-perfect moments, an RC garage gives your setup that extra touch. Look at this. How epic does that crawler look parked in here? It's a dream setup for any RC lover, and trust me, you'll want one of these in your collection. RC Garages offers sizes such as the 10th scale, which is, I think, the most popular. And then for your smaller rigs, they offer 24 scale. I have both, and let me tell you, I absolutely love them. And technically, the TRX-4Ms, even being 18th scale, still look okay in the 24 scale garage, but he does offer an 18th scale if you guys are interested. RC Garages has really come a long way in a short time. Along with offering garages for purchase, he also has parking lots in the 3 sizes we just talked about. He has patches, he has stickers, backdrops, banners, etc. The creativity Bobby has is out of this world. He does extraordinary work that most others cannot match. He also started dabbling in 3D printing for RC garages. Well, he's been 3D printing for a very long time, but he has started offering 3D prints, like printed products for specifically the RC garages, like shop cabinets, folding chairs and tables, stuff like that. For sure, at minimum, go check his website out. It's an awesome website. He pays such attention to detail. Like, he's almost, I would say, a perfectionist. I am a perfectionist, and we kind of match energies on that. So yeah, just go check out his website at rcgarages.com and you will see everything that he has to offer. It's awesome. He's also really easy to work with. If you encounter a problem, he's right there willing to fix it and take care of it for you. He's also really good at responding to your guys' questions and answering them in a timely manner. Basically, he just wants to make everybody happy. He has very good customer service. Bobby is not only the owner of RC Garages, but he's also in my eyes, he is an icon in the RC hobby. He probably doesn't see himself that way. He's very humble and not, like, I think he's a celebrity. He has donated countless garages to different events and fundraisers, and he's just a huge staple in this hobby. He really is one of the good ones to support and keep him doing what he loves to do and bringing us awesome new inventions and products, and he's just a really good one to support. Another great aspect of RC Garages is Bobby is a fast shipper. He'll tell me one day that he shipped something and the next day it's on my doorstep. I'm just kidding, it's not that fast, but it really is fast, like less than a week. It's almost like he gets an order and like sends it out 10 minutes later. So you won't be waiting long for your RC garage to arrive. These garages are perfect for storing your RC crawlers in style, and the quality, seriously top notch. I can't recall exactly what material it is, but it's not cardboard by any means. The garages are highly durable and easy to clean. They're easy to set up, take down is a breeze as well, and they fold up nice for minimal storage. For all my fellow RC content creators out there, this is a must-have for your pictures. The detail and craftsmanship really make your crawlers stand out, and every picture looks like a professional photo shoot. You guys know I do not promote any products that I do not myself use or stand behind. I never want to be that creator to promote something to you guys just to make a quick buck, even if I don't believe in the product. Hold on, that made it sound like Bobby was paying me to do this video. I am not getting paid to do this video. Bobby is just a really good friend, and he has a really good product that I firmly believe should be in the eyes of everyone. Everybody should know RC Garages and should have one. His talent is unmatched, and you can tell just how much effort and passion goes into making these. Every little detail is thought out, and the result is just stunning. The RC garages aren't just for looks, they're built to last. Bobby really knows his stuff and he's super easy to work with. So if you're looking for the perfect gift for the RC lover in your life, an RC garage is a no-brainer. So whether you're looking to level up your storage game, take better photos of your crawlers, or just give your collection a cool new home, an RC garage is the way to go. They're high quality, they look awesome, and let's be real, who wouldn't want one of these under the tree this year? All of rcgarage's information will be linked down in the description box below for you. Thank you all for tuning in to today's Vlogmas video. If you haven't already, go check out Bobby at rcgarages.com. Trust me, you're going to love it. And also give this video a like by clicking that thumbs up icon, and also hit that subscribe button to stick around for the rest of Vlogmas and also next year. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!